Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You will start by turning on iCloud Photos so your camera roll uploads automatically. Open Settings, tap your name, then iCloud Photos and enable iCloud Photos. Make sure you have enough iCloud storage or upgrade your plan now. Without space, uploads will stop. Connect the iPhone to a stable Wi-Fi network and plug it into power to let large batches upload reliably. Once done, your recent shots begin syncing to iCloud and show on all devices signed into this Apple ID. Next, create a local encrypted backup so you keep originals offline. Connect your iPhone to a Mac, Finder, or PC iTunes, select Backup Now and choose Encrypted Backup to retain passwords and health data. If you prefer files, export originals from the Photos app to a folder on your computer for manual copies. You can also set up Google Photos or Dropbox for additional redundancy, install the app, enable backup over Wi-Fi, and choose upload quality to control storage use. Finally, confirm backups by visiting iCloud.com or checking photos on a second device signed into the same Apple ID. You should see recent items. If uploads stall, make sure iCloud storage isn't full and that background app refresh and Photos sync are enabled. Try freeing space, signing out and back into iCloud, or rebooting the iPhone to clear transient errors. If problems persist, create a local encrypted backup via Finder or iTunes so your photos are preserved before.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.